Hi, greetings dear friends, good afternoon. Oh, gosh. Ntathu here, tuning in, checking in, just to sort of see how your day's going and to offer you a chance just to pause, to check in with your breath and just to pause. Okay, and the best way I know to do that is to meditate. And if you've never meditated before, or you found that it's very hard to sit still, you can't focus, you're too tired, you've got too much on your mind, you don't even know where to start, the meditations I'm going to be sharing with you on this show, this daily show, yay! They're going to be really simple things, really easy meditation techniques that beginners, busy mums, busy workers, tired mums, anyone can do anytime. And the purpose being just to invite you, to give yourself permission, to watch the video, listen to the meditation, and then when you've got 5 minutes before you go to bed, when you wake up, that's the time I really encourage you to, what was that thing she was talking about? That breathing stuff, That's the time I really encourage you just to pause and to find your breath. So what I want to do, does that sound okay? Yeah? I wrote this book a while back. It's called Work Happy, and in it, it's got like lots of tips and tricks and suggestions of things you can do to boost your energy at work. And a lot of my focus at the moment is kind of like encouraging people to stop feeling so tired all the time and just to find a way to boost your energy. And I realised that there's loads of stuff in this book, so I'm gonna, every now and then, just pick a topic, talk about it, and do the actual guided meditation that's accompanying each suggestion. Okay, so I chose Q for quiet time, and I thought that's quite appropriate. And the affirmation that goes with this quiet time, it's my business flourishes, and I attract secure, prosperous, life-affirming contracts. So one of the biggest energy zappers in the world, particularly in the office, if you work in a busy office, it's just the noise. I remember when I used to work in probation, it was a very busy office. There's always someone on the phone, someone talking, someone arguing, the photocopy machine going, someone saying, do you want a cup of coffee? There's always some kind of noise and distraction going on. And I found it quite hard at times to really focus and just to actually get in that Zen-like state. And I think that's one of the times it really made me appreciate. I wasn't really meditating as such then. I wasn't meditating, no, I wasn't, not properly. And looking back, if I knew the power of silence, if I knew then what I know now, how important it is just to be able to be in a busy crowd, yet at the same time to be present with your feelings and your emotions, I'm sure maybe I'll still be there. Who knows? But I couldn't take it any longer, so I had to jump ship. So what the tip I'd like to share with you, the meditation example, it's called sitting in silence. And basically, a lot of people, we find it hard to be silent. And if you're just sitting there doing nothing, people say to you, what's wrong? What's wrong, what's going on? And if you sort of say, nothing, I'm just sitting in silence, they kind of think, she's weird, he's weird, or, they might start talking about you. But in fact, that ability to sit in silence, and I think the trick is, it's not so much to sit in silence, but it's to sit in silence and to be present with your higher self, present with your emotions. Because oftentimes, hands up here, I might feel unhappy or upset or stressed out. And it's easier, rather than sort of sit still and process those thoughts, it's easier to kind of like get on my phone, check Facebook, check Instagram. It's easier to do that sort of thing. And I think I guess the other side of the coin is that sometimes we're sitting in silence, but we're going over the same negative thought. We're going over, why did he say that? Why did he say that? What did he mean? That's not fair. That's not what I meant. And that's like, that's not really productive, because that also drains your energy. So the thing is, it's to find that balance between having that negative loop going round and round and round, getting yourself constantly distracted, so don't even sit in silence. It's finding that balance, that middle ground, that space of harmony, that zen, that sweet spot. That for me is the practice. That's meditation. It's when you can be present, when you can be still in the midst of the madness, in the midst of the arguments, the ups and downs, the office politics. It's when you can acknowledge, embrace the other person, yet at the same time be able to honour yourself, come back to yourself, come back to your centre. And as I always say, the breath, the meditation is always, always, always the best way to do that. So with that said, I invite you to find your silence, to take a moment right now to check on your posture. And again, as we always say in yoga and meditation, your spine. Aim to have that really long, flexible spine in the sense that you're really sitting, you're really grounded, you're really connected on your sitting bones. And you're creating a long, long spine. You're getting space between your ears and your shoulders. And your eyes are just on the horizon. So you haven't got your chin up, your chin's not down. You're just very tall, elegant, like a giraffe, yeah? So have that sort of image of a very long, elegant giraffe. And then breathe. Do you see what I just done then? I just literally went in and I breathed, I found my breath. And to do that, I've kind of just learnt that I just have to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more deep breath in. Deep breath out. Really empty the lungs. Empty, empty, empty. Well done. Sometimes just doing those 3 kind of like basic breathing awareness exercises, sometimes that's all you need just to shift from that crazy mad state, from that constant negative rushing around what's going on in your head state, and just find your breath. So now that you've found your breath, I invite you to, if you wish to close your eyes. Again, some people like to close their eyes because it actually provides like some sort of barrier, some sort of distance. You can come inward, you're not so easily distracted. And some people like to keep that sort of soft gaze, looking down their nose, yeah? So again, you're still focused all the energy inwards, but you're not kind of getting distracted. I personally like to close my eyes, yeah? That feels safe and reassuring for me, that's fine. But do what works best for you. So I invite you to close your eyes or to have a soft gaze. Find your spine, find that nice long spine. Lengthen up through the head, the neck and the back. Take those 3 deep breaths. And after you've taken those 3 deep breaths, I invite you just to start to listen to the sounds you can hear in your room. But I will guide you through this process, okay? So just to let you know what we're going to be doing. So we're sitting up tall and straight. Taking 3 deep breaths in and out through the nose, through the mouth. So stay focused on your breath and turn your attention to all the sounds you can hear in and around the room. So just start to listen to the sounds you can hear. Allow all the other sounds to float away into the background as you focus on the one sound. Maintain that awareness of all the sounds you can hear. Choose one sound and focus all your awareness, all your attention on that one sound. So just listen to the one sound, allowing all the other sounds, including my voice, to fade into the background. And keeping that awareness, keeping that poise and grace, start to turn your attention to the breath. So don't change the way you're breathing, but just start to notice what you notice about the way you breathe. What part or parts of the body can you feel the sensation of the breath flowing through the body? Observe the breath in the top of the chest. Can you sense the movement of the breath through the chest? Or maybe you can sense the breath through the belly. So choose a point of focus where you can really sense, where you can really feel the movement of the breath, whether it's through the belly as it rises up and back, or whether it's through the chest that you can feel the breath the most. Stay focused on the breath and just allow the mind, the body and the breath to breathe. Breathing softly in through the nose, out through the mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stay connected with the breath. Anytime the mind wanders away from the breath, whether it's in the belly, the chest, or through the throat or the mouth, just stay connected with the breath. Take 3 more deep breaths in and out through the nose. And then just softly bring your attention to all the sounds you can hear. So go back from the breath to the sounds you can hear. in and around the room. Well done. Excellent. Well done. And then just softly come back to the space. Well done. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Excellent. Well done, dear friends. Well done. Now, before you go about your busy day, before you reconnect with your day, just rub your hands together so it's really nice and warm. When you feel that warmth, just rest your warm palms over your eyes. I've got glasses, but do it underneath your glasses if you can. Take 3 gentle breaths. Excellent. Ooh, well done. That was great. Give yourself a pat on the back and a hug. Oh, I love you. Well done. Thank you, dear friends. Thank you for taking part and just allowing yourself, giving yourself permission to sort of slow down, enjoy the silence and reconnect with your breath. Thank you. And if you feel there's anyone in your circle who you feel would really benefit from a moment of silence, please share this video with them, like my page, and also remember there's going to be a link in the description to a freebie I'm offering, 7 simple stretches to boost your energy. And they're really simple, super simple yoga stretches you can do, again, anywhere, anytime, just to kind of like boost your energy and, you know, keep you connected to that source, yeah, that fire within. So subscribe, like,